Welcome back. Today I will be making delicious and all-time favorite Gobi Manchurian. Here is the list of ingredients required for the recipe. Let's start with 250 grams of fresh cauliflower. Cut them into bite-sized florets, then blanch them in boiling water with a pinch of salt for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, drain the florets and set them aside. Once water is drained completely, start by coating cauliflower with 1 tablespoon of Maida, half tablespoon of cornflour, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Give this all a good mix and fry them in hot oil until golden and crispy. Do this in small batches to ensure even cooking. Set them aside on a paper towel to drain excess oil. So here I have fried these just once, but if you like extra crispy cauliflower, feel free to double fry them. Let's quickly take a look at the ingredients required for the sauce and a sauce mix, which is combination of 2 teaspoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Now, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add in diced onions and a little salt, stir fry for a few minutes. Then, add in finely chopped garlic and green chili, saute until fragrant. Lastly, add in thinly sliced cabbage. This is optional. I love the crunch of cabbage, hence I am adding them. Saute it again for a minute. Make some space in between, add the sauce mix, give everything a good mix and then add a very little water, mix and finally add the crispy fried cauliflower florets to the sauce. Toss them gently to coat every piece with a rich saucy flavor. Garnish with some more cabbage or coriander leaves and your gobi manchurian is ready to be served. Enjoy it as a starter or pair it with fried rice or noodles. If you liked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.